waits, I'll be halfway to my mama's home. It just dawned on me, life is as fleeting as a passing dawn. And it was my mistake, 'cause she never said a thing about Jesus. I miss my mother's southern drawl and her praying through the walls in the evening. Give me my dawn's best.
Hi Ate Ella, a blessed and happiest 18th birthday po sa'yo. Praying, hoping na mag-enjoy ka po sa araw nito at maging masaya ka lang po. So ayun, ang wish ko sa'yo is stay funny, stay kind, and also stay faithful. Ayun lang.
Hi Mariela! Happy 18th birthday! More birthday to come! Enjoy your day! God bless!
Hi Ate Ella, a blessed and happiest 18th birthday, and I wish you good health and happier life, and stay pretty and healthy. Also, thank you for being added to me as always. Continue to serving God lang. I love you, Ate.
Hi Ella! Happy birthday to you! I wish you all the best, and I'm so happy kasi 18th ka na be. Pero dapat 19 ka na, diba? Madaya ka. Happy birthday! Love you!
And I am so happy that we've become friends to enjoy your day and welcome to tapos na eh. Enjoy nga kasi. May He continue to bless your step, to guide your steps eh. Ano ba? I am still so grateful to have someone as kind and genuine as you.
Take a look in that mirror. Now tell me who's the fairest. Is it you? Is it you? Is it me? Is it me? Say it's us, and I'll agree, baby. We don't tell nobody. We don't tell nobody. Yeah. Ikaw lang ang gusto ko. Nararamdaman ko sa'yo yung totoo.
Hi Ella! Happy 18th birthday to you. I am so happy that we've become friends since the pandemic. But even though we've met such an uncertain time, I am still so grateful that I have someone as kind and genuine as you. I've always admired your strong faith and how you keep God at the center of your life. May He continue to guide your steps, bless your dreams, and surround you with love, strength, and happiness as you begin this new chapter. Enjoy your day and welcome to adulthood. I am so proud of you and I will always be cheering you on. Happy 18th birthday again, Ella, and God bless you always. Love, lads!
Hi Mariela, I just wanted to greet you a happiest birthday. Ayan, sa very powerful and very prayerful na Junakis ng Hezekiah. Ayan, isa sa mga sisters. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na Sir JM, kahit nandun ako advisor mo, dito pa rin ako for you. And di lang sa'yo, para sa inyong lahat ng Hezekiah and sa LB Visco. And alam ko namang kinakaya at kakayanin mo na kahit may problema, alam kong meron kang malaking support system. Ang family mo nandyan sa'yo, mga kaibigan mo, si Lord syempre, and kasama na ako doon. Naway maging matagumpay ka sa buhay, lahat ng mga pangarap mo, lahat ng panalangin mo, naway matupad yon. At alam kong bibigay sa iyo ni Lord lang kasi deserve mo yon. And sa mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo, naway bigyan ka pa nila ng well-deserved peace and well-deserved happiness towards sa iyo, kasi alam ko naman ang life sobrang hirap. Minsan di mo na isipin ko anong gagawin mo. Naway, ayun yung makuha mo sa mundong to at sa mga taong nakapaligid sa iyo. Muli Mariela, dito lang ako sa iyo palagi. Mahal na mahal ka namin, mahal na mahal kita. lahat gagawin ko for you. Kung may kailangan ka sa akin, kung may kailangan ka man, may questions, concerns, kahit ano man yan, Sir Jem, ito lang ako palagi para sa iyo. So again, Mariel, happy birthday. We love you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Ate, happy 18th birthday. Salamat sa pag-aalaga sa akin. Dati hanggang ngayon. Yun lang, I love you. Bye-bye. Happy 18th birthday.
Hello! Happy 18th birthday, Ate Ella. Wishing you a good health and laging mag-iingat kung nasaan ka man. Maraming salamat palagi sa'yo sa lahat. Napakabuti mong ate and also lagi kong pinagpipray kay God na maging katulad ka ng aking mga anak. Thank you so much for everything. I love you so much and yeah, happy 18th birthday. Yay!
Ella, happy 18th birthday. Sana mag-iingat ka palagi. Sana maging successful lahat ng mga plano mo sa buhay. Ay kang mag-iingat. Huwag mo kong tawanan. Yun lang, Ella. Happy 18th birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Alagaan mo lalong mama mo. Bye-bye, Ella. Swerte mo sa mama mo at lolo't lola mo. Bye-bye. Idang payat. Ella, happy 18th birthday. Sana maging ayos ang lahat para sa'yo. Sana maayos ang galawan mo sa school. Bawal kang mag-youngstana. Sana maging successful ka sa lahat ng mga plano mo. Yun lang, Ella. Pakisabi kay Papa para rescue ako dito sa Cubao. Happy 18th birthday. I love you, Ella.
Ito pa palala. Love na love ka namin lahat.
Ate Ella, happy birthday and happy Dibo Day, ate. Wish you a wonderful day and take care and stay safe, okay? Bye-bye.
So, happy 18th birthday sa'yo, ate. And I know na sobrang mahalaga yung araw na to dahil ito yung pinakihintay mo sa buhay mo na maging 18th and maramdaman yung celebration na debut mo. And I hope naging masaya yun sa'yo, maging ma-appreciate mo yung lahat ng ginagawa namin. Ang wish ko lang naman sa'yo is good health, magpatuloy ka lang palagi sa Panginoon, huwag mong intindihin yung mga bagay na minsan nakakapagpahirap sa'yo. Lagi matandaan nandito ako, especially si Lord and yung pamilya ng Asandi. And as a kapatid mo, no, lagi matandaan na mahal kita. And again, mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo and God bless.
Ella. Ayan, ganap na dalaga ka na.